Okay, here we go. Last time we started turning up the sides of the basket, and this is my third row from when I started trying to turn. You remember the first one barely could notice that they were turning. The second one, you started to see them turning. The third one, they're turning up. They're going upwards. And it does take a lot of concentration. You really have to focus on every one of them, making sure that they're going in the direction you want them to go. Now, if yours isn't looking great, that doesn't matter. Here's the other ones I did. I'm not particularly happy with this. What I learned with these cotton rope and this, I think it was banana silk yarn, is that I probably won't use these materials again, and that's fine. The main thing is you try and see what happens. So this is the other one that I'm doing from the artificial sinew, I think it's called. And it's looking quite good, quite interesting. It's very sticky, very, very sticky. Like it could almost stick to my hand there. Okay, so let's get back to this one. You can see here, I've left it at a spot where I'm about to run out of weaver. And what I thought I would show here is that we can start a pattern if we want to. And if you're further up on your basket, that's great. That's fine. You can also start this up higher. So I'm just gonna shorten that up a bit and then get another color. So I'm gonna go with the spoke color here and add this in just like we did before. So where the short one is supposed to be coming out, and we always do it when the short one's coming out on the right. Put this one in and hold them with your finger on the inside so that you can get some stitches in here. And once you get, again, probably 3, 4, 5, depending on the material, then it'll hold itself in place. And you can see here that every other one is this other color because of that twist in between. So what I'm gonna do is pause the video, do a little bit of weaving, and come right back. Okay, and now through the magic of video, that was almost 10 minutes, and I got the pattern going in here. You can see every other one is a different color. Now, when you're doing a pattern, a lot of times it's easier to see a mistake because if you see the wrong color on top of the wrong color, you can immediately catch that. Another thing I wanted to point out, depending on the material you're weaving, it may start to unravel. This is wax linen. Wax linen always unravels. So as you weave, you just twist it. And you twist it all the way out to the end. And you keep doing that over and over until you're done. Now I wove this, I don't know how the color got so close, but I'm at the beginning where I marked it. And I just need to try to get this one to the inside. And then I'm ready. I'm gonna go back to the dark color and ready to add another one. Now, again, if you're not happy with the results that you're getting, don't worry about it. This is just learning these movements. You need to do these movements a lot to get this down. And you can see the effect I'm getting here already. It's a pretty cool effect because I've got the dark and then I have the alternating colors and then the dark again here at the top. So this is going to be kind of interesting looking. If I go back, here's some samplers. Samplers from when I was starting to learn to weave that I never finished with different kinds of bases and whatnot when I was experimenting. Here's another one, just experimenting and trying to figure out how all of this works. So you should end up with a pile of these eventually as you're weaving, and then you start working in on making baskets. But you try different techniques, sample different things. And please like the video, please subscribe, that would be wonderful. Once I get to 100 subscribers, then they'll let me get my own address, youtube.com/kalechapel. So that's something I'm aiming for. And keep weaving. I'll see you in the next video. Go up a lot. I'm gonna do some more weaving in between videos to get this a bit taller. Try 2 different colors if you want. If you have 2 different colors, just experiment, try some different things, and I'll see you in the next video.